How to fix AirPods battery pop-up not showing on iPhone. So if you want to fix your AirPods battery pop-up not showing on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your control center and make sure that your Bluetooth option is turned on. Or if it's not working, then you need to just simply go and disconnect and again turn on your Bluetooth and connect your AirPods again. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then as you can see on your home screen on the top right, you will have the battery pop up. You'll have your mobile battery and then your AirPods case and your left and right AirPods battery showing up on your top right of your screen. You can also add the widget to check that. So what you need to do is tap and hold onto your screen for a few seconds and then go with edit, which will be in the top left, and then tap on add widget. Once you do that, you need to scroll down and then you need to find the battery widget. Once you find the battery widget, you need to go and select the option which is right here. You need to go and select this one. Go with add widget, which will be on the bottom, and once you've added, you will have the widget like this. And if you've connected to your AirPods, then you'll have this kind of interface. Or if it still does fix your problem, then what you need to do is you need to reset your AirPods. So place the AirPods in the case and leave the lid open. Press and hold the setup button on the back or on the front for some models for 15 seconds until the light flashes amber, then white. Bring the case close to the iPhone with the lid open to initiate the pop-up. Once you've reset, go and connect your Bluetooth again or your AirPods and your problem will be fixed. And you need to also make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on after the reset. Or you can also go with forget and repair. Open up your settings. From there, you need to go with Bluetooth, and from Bluetooth, you need to go and select your AirPods and go with disconnect, which will be in the bottom, or go with forget this device. And after forgetting, you need to again go and connect or repair, and your problem might be fixed. And you need to also make sure to plug in the case for at least 10 minutes, as a low battery case may not trigger the pop-up. And at last, you need to make sure that your software is updated. So go with your profile, which will be in the top, or just scroll down, go with general, and tap on software updates. And if you have any updates, you need to go and update your software. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.